Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku number 9199. 9199. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. By the way, for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really 4 stars. We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? See here, dual box here and there, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, 1 and a 2. Same for there, 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box, there a quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. So, need to wait. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, look for figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. We have more. Yes, here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 there. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. More T shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Do we have more? No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. And overlook this triple box. Yeah, we overlook this triple box. We indeed have a triple box here in this puzzle. Well, this box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Yeah, overlook this one. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Well, yeah. Well, this box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box in this area should be supposed to be 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left for the triple box for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. The other pair should be the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Come on. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be a 1. This box can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then this box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Is also connected with that box. Should be so a 1. Then. Come on. 3, 5. 1, 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. 1 or 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a double 4 there, so I cannot place the 4 there, and the 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, well, let me think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3. And the 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2. And the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, we go up. Then, come on. This is taking too long. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, can be a 4, so 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 3 and a 5. But I cannot place the 5 here because it's a quadra box. So it should be a 3 here. Is connected with that box, should be so 3 here. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Then, let me see. 4 and 5. Interesting. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, should be a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, not under the 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not the 4, not the 3. Well, I'm pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it yourself by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.